What's going on? And we're gonna open a box of 1819 Upper Deck Series 2. This is my first break, by the way. It's gonna be a new series. So, let's pull something. Okay. First pack. Marquee Rookies of Christopher N. What a start! You got a portrait of Zach Aston Reese. Next pack. Come on, Carter Hart. We got a young gun. Ethan Bear. It's okay. Ethan Bear. Next pack. Canvas. Of Nolan Patrick. A rookie of Henry Yokiharu. Marquee rookie. Come on, let's get a Carter Hart. Silver, Erik Karlsson. Not too bad. We got another young gun. Ah! This guy. Portraits, Spencer Fu. Mikkel Bodker, Opeachy update. Canvas of Martin Jones. So no young gun canvas, I don't think. Now next pack. We got a young gun. Dominic Turgeon. So it's okay. Next pack up. Opeachy. Hey, Parlin Home. Marquee rookie. Got a marquee rookie, Maxime Comtois. The hit should be coming very soon. Portraits, Isaac Lundstrom. You got a young gun. Joe Hicketts. There's got to be one good card in this box. Another young gun. Matthew Higmore. Not great, not great. Portraits, Michael Vorobiev. We got a jersey. Oh, is it? I think this is going to be the flashback. Hey, that's pretty nice. Charlie McAvoy. Flashback photo shoot materials. Pretty good, pretty cool. Another canvas, Noah Hannafin. Come on, exclusives, acetates. Young Guns exclusives, Young Guns high gloss. Curtis McElhaney exclusives. Last few packs, come on. Juuso Välimäki. Another canvas, Corey Crawford. Two packs left. We're getting one more Young Guns for sure. Here it is. Hey! There it is. There's a good one. Brady Tkachuk. Young Guns for the Senators. Let's go. Not all that bad then, that box. Last pack. And a marquee rookie of Luke Johnson. So let's do a quick recap and then we'll sign off. So Luke Johnson, there's a good one. Brady Tkachuk, Corey Crawford, Yusuf Alamaki, McElhaney exclusives, Noah Hannafin, rookie photo shoot flashbacks of McAvoy, Mikhail Vorobiev, Matthew Higmore, Joe Hicketts, Isaac Lundstrom portraits, Maxime Comtois, Par Lindholm, Mikhail Bodker, Spencer Fu, Silver Eric Carlson, Henry Yorkiharu, Nolan Patrick, Martin Jones, Eric Cernak, Ethan Bear, Zach Aston Reese, Christopher N., and Dominic Turgeon. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.